I'm going for the explanation of the second program. Then those who haven't shown the output of the first program, they will show both first as well as second both. Till that time, if you want, you can switch off your camera. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss the second program of calculators using a functions. Here we'll perform the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, but each and everything is to be implemented with the help of the method. So as we know that if you want to define any functions, before that purpose, the def keyword is to be used, right? So here we want to calculate four things: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That's why the four method is to be implemented here. Right, I have written the first comment. This function has two number. Then def is the keyword to define. Then add is the name of your function or the method. Then x and y, these are the two parameters which are separated by the comma. Then it returns add x plus y. Second comment, I have written subtract two numbers. This function subtract two numbers. Then def keyword is used. Subtract is the name of the method. X, y is the parameter which is required. Colon, then followed by your indentation mark, you write return. Here I have used the return, but in the case of previous program, we have seen the return was not there. So the return is optional. If you want to use it, you can utilize it. Third one is this function multiplies two numbers. Then we have defined the function def multiply x comma y, then return x multiply y. Similarly, the fourth function, this function divides two number. Comment is given. Def is the keyword which is used to define a function. Then divide method or the function x comma y parameters, then we return x divided by y. Then all the menus are displayed to the user by using the print statement: 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiply, 4 for divide. After that, we are accepting the choice as input from the user. That choice is taken, enter any value from 1 to 3, 4, and after that, we have considered it as num1 and num2, two inputs are taken from the user because we want to perform operation on two values x comma y. Means basically how many values are required? Two values. That's why we taken it as the 1 and 2. After that, we have written if statement because we have multiple options 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll use if, elif, and at the end else. So here I have written if choice equal to 1, it will print both the number, and then it call the method add num1 comma num2. Then when choice equal to 2, that is your subtract. So I will print num1 num2 is equal to, then once again we call a method here, and at that time whenever it returns a value, it will be printed here only wherever it is called. Third one, for the multiplication, I printed number 1 number 2 is equal to, then I called the method multiply num1 comma num2. So it will go to that multiply method, it will add in string, then once again control is transferred to the return to the same point. Then elif choice equal to 4, then print number 1 divided by number 2, then we have divide num1 comma num2. The method will be called for the divide. And else, whenever it will enter any other number other than 1, 2, 3, 4, so we can say that it is your invalid input. So let us run this program. Whenever you are going to run this program, it will ask for the user 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So here once the user will enter, so it will ask for the two numbers, suppose 12, 21, so it gives the output as this one. In this way, it will be executed. Hope everyone have understood. If you have understood, reply, unmute and reply.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes,
Yes, sir,
sir.
understood.
Okay, thank you. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Start executing. Now you turn on your camera and start executing. Means here you have to share both the programs. Earlier one, those who haven't shown, and this program as well. And now after showing the program, whatever the changes I will say to in your program, try to
Sir.
make the changes there. Yes, Rohit.
Sir, can I share?
Yeah,
Means
share
just
your
wait. So allow the share screen.
1 minute. Yes, done. Now you share. Sonu, are you there? Okay, you are sharing. थोड़ा लेफ्ट अलाइन करो कैमरा को. हाँ. Okay. Yes. Okay. Good. Rohit bhai. Go for the second program.
So done.
First program. Who haven't shown the first program output? Zoya, Shazia, Uzefa, then Sonu, then Uzair, Ali.
Yes, sir. Can I show the first program output?
Yes, Ali. Ali, what is your roll number?
Sir, my roll number 60.
No, Ali.
66, changing.
Ali, change your profile name. Salim, now you share your screen. Okay, good, Salim.
Can I stop the share?
Yeah, sure. Shazia, share your screen for the first program. So, can you zoom your screen? Can you zoom your screen? Shazia? Hello? Shazia, you are on mute, na? Unmute and reply.
Zoom.
Can you enlarge your screen for the program? Can you explain why we have written while true? Everyone can see the screen sharing of Shazia. Shazia, everyone look here. She has done in continuously repetition of this statement. Yes, Shazia.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain how it goes into the repetition till you don't want to exit? She has written the statement while true.
तो while लूप जो है वो टू के ऊपर है तो मतलब वो इंफिनिटी के ऊपर जाएगा ना, इसलिए उसने कुछ एग्जिस्ट स्टेटमेंट नहीं डाला है.
Sorry.
while true
Hmm.
is an infinity loop, तो उसने एग्जिट का लॉजिक नहीं डाला है. आई थिंक
Shazia,
Yes, sir.
can you answer it?
Can you repeat, sir?
Tasneem, repeat it.
एग्जिट का लॉजिक नहीं है. while true is an infinity loop,
Hmm.
एग्जिट का लॉजिक, एग्जिट का एलिफ डालना पड़ेगा आपको, एल्स के अंदर डाल दो.
Shazia, can you run your program?
Yes, sir.
So she is asking when you will be exit. How you will exit? Shazia, have you understood?
Yes, sir. I understood.
So your program is exiting anywhere?
No.
So hope you have understood. What
Yes,
she's
sir.
asking. Yeah, yeah. But very good, you have tried for the effort. One effort you have done. Basically, you got the answer. At somewhere you make the certain small changes in the program. Try to think for it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. Tasneem, hope you will do it and show it to me. Chalo, next, Zoya.
जी सर.
Ruhulna, next is your turn to share the screen of the first program. Now Zoya is sharing. Till that time, who have done the first program, they will execute the second program. Zoya, why you have written D, E, F?
Sir, DF to define the function.
Which is the terminating condition in your program? Recursive function should have the terminating condition. Otherwise, it will go into the infinite. Which is the terminating condition in your program? Zoya,
Yes, sir.
have you understood my question?
Yes, sir.
You have in your program. That condition you have in your program. In the recursive.
Yes, sir. If n is equal to 1.
Yes. This is your terminating condition, and everywhere that should be there. Otherwise, it will go into the infinite. Hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Stop sharing. Good work. Ruhullah.
सर मैं पाइथन डाउनलोड कर रहा था, 2 मिनट रुक जाइए ना।
You are-
कल किसी को फॉर्मेट किया था इसीलिए थोड़ी इशू आ रही है।
So you have the online. Now you are doing online or what?
पाइथन आइडियली।
Do it fast. Ali, Uzair. Ali, Uzair, turn on your video. And share the first program.
So I'm done with both the programs.
You show me only the first program.
Okay.
Hmm.
So this is the first program.
Hmm.
And the output for the first program is here.
Okay. Show me the second program now.
So the second program is over here.
Hmm.
Starts from here. Takes all the parameters. These are the functions.
Why are you in the while true?
For continuous operations.
So how it will exit?
So this is the program.
You run it. This program run it.
Yes, sir.
So it is going to end, na?
Yes, sir.
So why you are writing while true? What is the use here? Na?
Okay, it is not executing.
So make the changes and once
Okay,
again
okay,
show
I'll
it to
just
me.
show. Okay.
Yeah. Now next Ali. Okay. Ali.
Sir, can I show first program?
Yes, Uzaifa. Okay. Good, Uzaifa. Who else is left for the first program? Ashmit. I think it's
Yes, sir.
the second device. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Suno, Sonu, if you do not have the mic, reply it in the chat box.
What's
Sir,
up?
can I share?
Yes, yes. Who is there? Rahul.
Ruhulla.
This
Rahul, yes, go ahead.
Rohit.
First name, after that, we'll share your first program. Run it. Go into the run option. Rahul, minimize your output. In this program, give fifth option as exit. And according to that, make the changes in your program.
What, sir?
In this program, there are four
Hmm.
options. Na? 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4.
Yes, sir.
Give the fifth option as exit.
Okay,
So
sir.
whenever only the user will press that fifth, then only it will exit. Otherwise, continuously it will go for the operation.
First program लिख लीजिए, sir.
Should
Factorial arbitrary number.
okay, good.
Sir, stop sharing can.
You stop sharing.
Okay, sir.
Who else is left for the first program? I am asking. Tasneem. Okay. You share your
Sir.
screen.
Sir.
Who is asking? Rule?
सर 2 मिनट के लिए मैं जा रहा हूँ, आता हूँ 2 मिनट.
Take a break. Tasneem. You make the changes in your program as you have suggested to Shazia. Yes. Your voice is not coming.
आवाज नहीं आई, sorry.
You make the changes in your program as you have said to Shazia. Is that clear? Shazia, I am audible.
Repeating now.
Now I am audible. Tasneem. I am posting it in the chat box. You check it. Tasneem, you can see the chat box. So everyone, I hope shared the first one. No one is left. Now those who have finished the second program, they start sharing.
Can I share, sir?
Who is sharing?
Fahad.
Share. Fahad, -1 तो दिखाओ आपका exit
हाँ
का
वो
तो
कर रहा
दिखा
था
नहीं
सर।
आपने। You show your exit
वो
option.
स्क्रीन शेयर का बटन सर बीच में आ रहा है।
No problem.
स्क्रीन शेयर का बटन ही बीच में आ रहा है। एक सेकंड। एग्जिट।
Suppose at one point I want to perform the addition of two numbers 5 and 6. Second time I want to perform the operation of 6 and 7. So is that possibility is there in your program?
Right now, not sir, but I have to make this to input in while loop.
Yeah, make it because it is whenever you are performing the addition, it is not necessary that number will always be same, na?
Yeah.
Uh,
Let me just-
you save your program then run.
It's automatic. Two, three. Choices. Suppose 3. Yeah, it's working, sir.
Once again, it is not asking, na?
Asking, sir. We are asking enter first number, second number, menu operation.
Enter
Actually,
the
I
choice
have
to.
make
No,
the
no.
order.
It is enter the choice to. What is your choice to? Subtraction. So from where these
Subtraction.
two values is taken -1, -2.
From a new number, na sir. In here, enter first number -1. Second
No,
number
no.
is
What
2.
is your choice
So
3?
1 minus
Look here. What is your choice 3?
multiplication.
ऊपर
Multiplication.
जाओ. From the start. It is initially asking enter number, na?
Yeah.
After that, what you have given? 1. Then it
And-
performs the addition.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Again, it asks for input.
Okay. In this way, you are going.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Show your program. Once again, you run your program.
3.
Now give
No,
5.
I want
Abhi 5 the choice.
invalid choice.
Oh, good.
Can I stop this here?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Very good, Fahad.
So may I share?
Yeah, first.
Sir, I'm getting some error. 2
Yeah,
minutes.
you check for the indentation, then come back.
Sir, done.
Hello, sir.
Rahul, share your screen. Rahul, you added more features. Very good, Rahul. But still this is an error in the else part.
Sir, done.
You take the choice 7. But sorry, 7 is your exit, na?
यस सर वो सर क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने इफ स्टेटमेंट में चॉइस इन 1 2 3 4 7 लिया तो उसके बाद सर ये इसको ये एग्जीक्यूट करने के बाद एग्जिट कर रहे हैं.
So think for it. This should not be there.
यस सर.
Yeah. So make the changes according to it.
यस सर. सर स्टॉप. सॉरी.
Yeah. Stop and make the changes.
ओके सर.
Who is next? Shazia done? Rahul Yadav.
यस सर.
Those who have done the second program, reply it in the chat box and share your screen.
Hello, sir.
Shazia have written done with the second program. Anas Imam, yes.
Hello, sir. Sir, I am having some problems. Can I share, sir?
Yeah.
So I tried doing
Can you
using
enlarge it? Zoom it.
which so now can you see?
There is no need of break statement here. You have written
Sir,
a break, break, break.
yeah, sir.
There is no need of it. Only it will check the if condition. Only where it is matched, it will execute it.
So I don't need to write the break, sir.
No, no, no need to write.
Okay, sir.
I'm sharing the screen.
Sure, Ali.
Did all the modifications.
Can you show the code first? Everyone, whenever you're sharing the screen, make sure that screen should be zoom or enlarged. Def exit. You have made one function. Okay, good. Written exit, exit. Okay. While select not equal to 5. 5 is your exit. Okay.
1, 1, 2, 1, 2. तो आउटपुट नहीं दे रहा ना यहाँ पे एंटर चॉइस ही आ रहा है खाली
The code addition and
Yeah, it only gets stuck in addition then. I have to come out of the book.
Ali, once again you check it.
Yes, sir, I'll do it again.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
May I share my
Yeah,
screen?
share it.
So this is my code. I am using while loop. May I run?
There is an exit also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Run it.